What's going on, Big Lou Squad, with another video. Look at here, look at here. Look at this shit here. I'm gonna show you when you buy a motorcycle battery, some of them you have to prepare them. Here go the acid, and here go the battery. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is remove this. Okay, now get that out the way. You're gonna wanna move this over here. You're gonna wanna open this right here. It's the acid. Watch how you open it. You don't wanna cut it. Oh, it really did the thing. Okay. It says what it says. Can't see it. Do not open. Oh, don't open it. You know? I said do not open. Okay. Let's open it. Here we go. Take the cap off. Got the seal. Right? You're gonna push it down like this. You're gonna turn it upside down. You're gonna put them in there, and then you're gonna push it hard, and then turn it around. Watch it go down. Look, again. See? You ain't even gotta squeeze it. Just leave it there. Do its own thing. There we go. Try squeezing a little. Nope. It's going. You can see it. Look. Then, once you get the acid, you put the cap back on. This goes on top of there, right there, pop, to seal the acid from leaking. And then you got to put it on the charger, Charge it for a little bit, so it's fully charged. Do the same procedures with yours, so let it fill, and I'm gonna show you. It's almost there, almost there. You can hear it. Yep. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. You can still see it. Each one is a battery cell. So right now we're filling up all the cells. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cells. It's almost there. Almost lost y'all. There you go. Oh, almost. Let me see. A little more. There we go. Still going. You can still see it and hear it. You can hear it bubbling and sizzling. The acid. I suggest always wear gloves. Even though it won't do nothing, that acid eat right through it. But, look, see? Put that there, take that. Then you get the cap. One at a time. Look. Make sure it's completely sealed. There you go. Turn it around. You gotta charge it. So we're gonna put this one right here. And we're gonna take this one and put it right here. And we're gonna leave it there until it's charged. We're gonna plug it in. And you leave it there till it's completely charged. Once the light turns green, that's a red light. Once it turns green, that means it's fully charged. Let it cool off, because it's going to be kind of a little warm or hot, you know. Let it cool off, and then you can install it. It also brings the screws, everything right here. Bolt, let's cut it. Let's open it. Here goes the bolt. The other one. Okay, that's one for each side. And on that note, I want to say thank you for your support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell for all, so you'll get all notification and you won't miss one. Thank you for everything.